Today, I'm talking about teens. Big shout out to all you teenagers out there. I know some of you are watching. And you know what? We can't run this world without you. Your fresh brains with creative ideas and your drive and willingness to know more, be more, grow. I just love you all. However, it can be a little bit difficult connecting to you from time to time, as I'm sure you feel it's difficult to connect to adults from time to time. And that's okay. I get it. But one of the really cool things is that we can still connect. And that's what we need to do, whether it's through baking, cooking, going for a walk. I know we're all stuck at home, so even board games, playing with your younger brother and sister. Remember, if you're a teen, or if you're a parent of a teen, even an auntie and uncle of a teen, or grandma or grandpa, teens need connection more than ever before in their lives. So remember, make the effort. Connect with that teen. Let them know they are worth it and they are powerful and we need them. And keep motivating them to grow and develop into really awesome adults. So give me a peace out if you've been watching this and you're a teen. And again, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.